We got a 4AG blacktop. So you have marks on the cams, sprockets. You have one here. You have one here that I painted. And then you have two here. And then you have these timing marks on the valve cover here and here. They have to line up with the sprocket. Let me zoom in so you can see. Here and here they have to line up. And then these two have to line up. And on the crank, you have I wish I could show you a little better. It's pretty hard to see, but you have a notch on the crankshaft sprocket at the end towards the back, and on the oil pump cover you have a notch there as well. And then you have to line up. I'm not sure if you can see the little dimple and the little notch on the camshaft sprocket. They line up. And from on the timing belt, not on the teeth, or I guess the little lobe, but here to this one, counting them in between these spots, there's 13 of them. And the cam shaft sprocket torque spec is 43 foot-pounds. And once you put the crankshaft pulley on there, it's 101 foot-pounds. Hope that helps. Oh, the camshafts are supposed to be facing outward, not up, not to the side, outward.